We begin by exploring our breath. We're going to start with a simple breathing exercise by breathing in for 5 counts and breathing out for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat this multiple times until you feel relaxed. Focus on your inhales and your exhales as you count. Now we are going to create a breathing buddy to assist us in the focus of our breathing. We're going to use plasticine to create the base of our buddy. You can use other materials such as air drying clay or even natural clay. A buddy can take the form of any creature we choose, whether it be imaginary, based off an animal or another creature. Now we're going to mould the plasticine into a small shape to resemble the body of our creature. We can add detail into the body, such as shapes and patterns with different colours. We can also create our own colours by mixing plasticine together, or even marble the colours by rolling 2 pieces of plasticine of different colours together. Once we have completed the base of our buddy, we can add limbs and features with the dough character pack or by moulding and attaching plasticine limbs to the base of our body. Once we have finished creating our buddy, we can practice our breathing exercise again, using our buddy to assist our focus. We lie down on the floor and place our buddy onto our stomach. As we slowly breathe in and out, we can concentrate on the movement of our buddy and maintain slow breaths. Try different breathing exercises and focus on how your buddy moves up and down and how you feel during this process. Repeat this process until you feel relaxed.